Hi guys, it's fatpetrolhead here, and today I want to discuss with you BMW M5 of E60 generation, as I see this car as for sure a future classic that you can buy right now for an acceptable price. The thing is that the prices for this model just passed the bottom of the market and started to increase, so maybe this is the last chance to purchase one of those. When the car was firstly presented in 2005, it was really critically acclaimed for its unique and new design. However, nowadays I believe that most of BMW lovers would accept it at least if they didn't fall in love with this car design. But at that time, German car manufacturers could offer you not only the unique design of the car, but also a unique engine for two models. Because in E60 generation of M5 and E63 generation of M6, you had a unique V10 5-liter engine that produced 507 horsepower and has a great sound, crazy sound, and also crazy characteristics. With an optional M-Drivers package, this car could go up to 305 km per hour, which is extremely fast, and that was a limited speed. All these crazy technologies made BMW M5 of E60 generation much more popular than the previous model, which was E39. And there were about 20,500 cars produced. But there was one extremely rare version, which is a state or wagon E61 BMW M5. And there were only 1025 units ever produced, and they were never sold on North American market. So if you want a really collectible car right now, then Estate is made for you. However, it would be much more expensive. Okay, let's move on to the prices of these cars. Nowadays, you can find a car starting from $10,000 or euros, depending on the market, of course. But $10,000 car would be ruined, absolutely ruined. And as all parts in this car are quite unique and made only for these models, they're extremely hard to find and extremely expensive. So buying the car for cheap and trying to repair it is not the right option, because in the BMW M5 of E60 generation, for example, you had an adaptive suspension for the first time in BMW M5. And of course, it's a rare part. Also, the GetTrack SMG transmission wasn't perfect, let's put it that way. Because, for example, the clutch mechanism you should change every 15 to 30,000 kilometers, depending on your driving style, of course. And also, it wasn't very comfortable to drive. So you should be prepared for it, but starting from 2006, you could get a manual transmission. But my idea here is that you should buy a very good condition car, and should be sure, of course, to check it in the proper BMW service, to check the engine, the transmission, and be sure that the car is at least in okay and drivable condition for the next several years, or at least 1 year. You cannot expect some reliability from 20 years old sport BMW for sure, but still, at least it shouldn't be broken right now. And this drivable condition BMW M5 of E60 generation would cost you something around $15,000 or euros. And if we talk about good condition car with not that big mileage and also not tuned, it would cost something around 20k already. And yes, for this price you can easily buy a BMW M5 of F10 generation. But I love this car. I personally drive BMW 5 Series of F10 generation. I like its design, but it's not that unique. Of course, if you are looking for a daily driver, why would you buy M5 then? But still, if you are looking for BMW M5 as a daily driver, of course, F10 is better. But if you want to drive and own something unique, probably E60 would be the best choice for this money. However, also you can get for about the same price and of the same age Audi RS6 with V10 as well. But talking about estate cars, BMW M5 of E61 then generation would be much more rare than Audi RS6. So, what do you think about the idea of buying BMW M5, E60, E61 right now? Please write in comments, it would be extremely interesting to know your opinion. Please press the like button if you enjoyed watching this video and subscribe for more. Welcome to our community. Thank you and see you soon. Alright, now if you click one of these two videos, I hope you will enjoy them as well. And I really think that the prices for this car can double in 5-7 years. And the starting point would be something around 20,000 and the good car would cost something around 40,000 easily.